Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. I welcome all of you in the my series Learn with Me Microsoft Power BI. So in this series we all are learning Microsoft Power BI, me as well as you. So today topic is what is Microsoft Power BI. So Microsoft Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visual, immersive, and interactive insights. Means Power BI is not one product. In the Power BI, there are different types of products are comes in the Microsoft Power BI umbrella. Like you can be see if you see here in the Microsoft Power BI, we can be able to create report. We can also create paginated report, scorecard, dashboard, streaming data sets, as well as we have Microsoft Power BI desktop version as well as mobile version. So if anyone asks you what is Microsoft Power BI, so what should you answer? So let's we see that. So Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Your data might be an Excel spreadsheet or collection of cloud-based and on-premise hybrid data warehouse. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what important and what and share that with anyone or everyone you want. Also, Microsoft Power BI includes some of the services like Power BI Desktop, Software as a Service is also called a SaaS platform, that Power BI service that comes under SaaS. Also, we have Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS, and Android devices. All of three services in this also two features came with Microsoft Power BI, like Microsoft Power BI Report Builder for creating paginated reports to share in the Power BI service. Also, Power BI Report Server and on-premise report servers where you can publish your Power BI reports after creating them in Power BI Desktop. So, in this type, you can be answer to an interview if anyone asks you what is Microsoft Power. So that's all, friends. I hope you are enjoying this series. And in tomorrow's video, we try to download Microsoft Power BI desktop version. For now, thanks. Have a nice day. If you have any suggestion for me, you can provide that into a comment box.